So the test stand status bar displays these pieces of information, first of which is the name of the current user. Then we have the name of the process model file the current sequences uses. We can double click in this area to open that process model file. Then we have the number of steps that we have selected. The total number of steps in the active sequence, and if we have run the sequence and have a report generated, then we would have the file path of the active report after it has executed.